Hello, everybody. Today we will be learning about imaginary numbers, which mathematicians typically denote as I. I is defined as the square root of -1. So basically, I squared, oh, I squared equals to -1. Today, we're going to be talking about this interesting number and some of the properties that it holds. I can be used to simplify many square roots involving negative numbers. For example, square root -4 here, 4 here equals to square root 1 times square root 4. And we know that square root -1 is I and square root 2 is square root 4 is 2. So that this becomes 2I. Next, we're going to be talking about some of the properties of I. The most important property of I is that it is cyclic. What I mean by this is that if you raise it to a power, eventually it will become I again. This is a pattern that follows. I1 is I squared is -1 because of this, and I cubed is -1 times I, which is negative I, and I to the fourth is -1 times -1, which is 1. And then now I fifth is 1 times I. So I fifth is I. So we can see that every time the exponent increases by 4, it repeats. For example, I to the second will equal to I to the sixth. For a practice exercise, let's try to evaluate what I to the 26 is. Give it a few moments to think about it for yourselves and let me know what you think. The solution to this is -1. We see this because when we divide this by 4, we get a remainder of 2. Therefore, it's I squared, which is -1. Thank you for listening and have a great day.